Hello guys. So I do have hands on the Endless-80 which is going on the group buy right now. I was in luck to actually get the in-stocked version of this. This version actually only came with the aluminum plate. So if you guys ask for do a sound test for a different plate, I can't do that because they're actually taking the orders in right now for the extras, which is gonna be breastplate, and the polycarbonate plate. I actually made an order of the polycarbonate plate. If it comes home, I will definitely make a video out of it. But this is only about the aluminum plate. They only have this option available right now. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Oh, I see kind of boxes crumble on it. It's fine. It's pretty good condition. No. And this side as well. This side. Okay, let's stop. So it actually has the color set up here. I got the gray and the brown weight one. Okay, here we go, guys. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, I think it's better. Alright, guys. Let's go. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, oops. So there you go. So this is just a cover. Ooh. Fuck. Here. That looks freaking sick. Is anything else? Nope. Nope. Okay. This is a box. It's a pretty thick box. Okay. It's actually the first time opening a box like this. Ooh, foam to protect it. There's a PCB. Nice. It's a Cali hot swap PCB tankulus. And there's a USB port right here on the right side. Put that aside. That's the moment of truth. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what is this? Wait, hold on. The gift from future. Oh, sorry. A gift from... Oh! Shit. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the No, 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 stop, that hurts. Okay, you know what? Take it out first. Oh my gosh, that's so sexy. It's the gift from future. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. It's pretty... Oh, it's actually... It felt lighter in the box, and it feels... What the fuck is that? Guys, what the hell is that? What the... Oh, what? What the heck? Okay, whatever. It looks so freaking clean. Look at that. Look at this booty. So this will where the LED will come out, and oh my goodness, that is so cool actually. I love this color. The brown, the gray and the brown is, the gray is actually really kind of dark gray, like a space gray. I don't know if there's a color. Well, I would just call it a space gray. Well, yeah, it looks like that. It's pretty nice. What the hell is that? Seriously. Gotta use like a wipe. Yeah, that's it. It's a really thick foam protecting it, so I think it'll be fine for everyone. Okay, I resumed the video after I cleaned that up. Okay, now it's gone. Magic. Nice. It's pretty hefty because it's a full aluminum, so even this weight is aluminum as well. Not sure if that comes off. Okay, yeah, let's get right into it. Yeah, before we do that, we gotta check this one that I was about to open. Probably like bonbons and things like that. I opened it so ugly. Gosh. Ooh, what the? What? Okay. Ooh, there's a red one and a purple one. Oh, no, there's green too. So I think you can change the color of the front. You know that. Where this one? Which one would be good with the gray? Purple? Green, purple, green, purple. I don't like the red. Green, purple, green. Since my keycap size kinda has a green asset, I will take the green. I'll use them later, next time. I think there's a strip. Oh, bonbons. 5 bonbons. If you see it. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh, it was this thing then. Gosh. Hey guys. Okay. Here's the bonbons. 5 of them. In a strip. Okay. Let me clean this up before we start. Okay, I found the problem. I brought the screw. The problem is it's not a, what the f, are you serious? How am I screw? How am I supposed to unscrew this? Okay, I have to go out and get a new screw for this. Yeah, so apparently my dad actually had this, which has almost every size. Okay. Now, moment of truth. What? How much do I more need to unscrew? Oh, I haven't unscrewed it yet. Oh. Oh, So the screw looks like this. Let me show you. Looks like that. So you gotta unscrew all the way, it will just come off when you unscrew it. You don't even have to flip it. There's my 4 screws. Moment of truth. Is it? Wait. Huh? What? Okay. So there's a LED like that. Damn, that looks sexy. And after I connect it to PCB, then I get to do that. So I will just put that on the side. So foam and foam for the PCB, and this is for the case, I think. And I think weight, you can change the you can change. Yeah, you can unscrew this part, and the weight will come off. So apparently, I think you can change colors of the weight if you wanted to. And it has a damp like that. It's nice. Ooh. Yes. Okay, stop. Alright. Steps. Cobalt Poms. Aqua Kings. Creams. For this build, I kind of want to try the Aqua Kings. These are unlubed. This the creams are lubed and filmed. This one I just got in the mail, so I didn't do anything. Yeah. The drug B2s. Put that on the side. Okay, let's look at the PCB. Alright, boys and girls. Girls. Okay. Fuck. Let's put that aside, please. Oh my gosh. That looks nice. It's RGB right here. And the LED of that front part goes there. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna build it. I don't want to record the building part because it's kind of embarrassing. I go back and forth and stuff, go everywhere. So after when I'm done, yeah, I will show the final product, what I made, and then probably do a typing test after, and that'll be it. Be right back, guys. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed the sound test. It's a nice booty right there. Yeah, so I think in my opinion, the Cobalt Poms actually sounded the best. The NK creams are actually pretty good too. And I think it's the most quietest. I don't know even. I don't even know. And the Aqua Kings are actually really loud, compared to the Cobalt Poms or the NK creams. The NK creams are really quiet compared to any of these two. So these are the switches only that I have. So that's why I just made the video out of 3 switches. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys need to know any other questions about this board. Thank you for watching.